Welcome to our channel, Fearless Maths Class. Now, today's topic be mensuration on standard 10. I discussed few sums. I already discussed the all formulas of mensuration. Now I give the applications on these formulas on the base of class 10. Okay. Now I take an example. Now let's start. I take an example. Are radii of the ends of a first term of a cone 45 centimeter high are 28 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Find its volume, the curved surface area and the total surface area. Now I start like this. The answer I write like this. First you draw the figure. When you do the mensuration, must listen, must remember it. You must draw the figure on the basis of this question. Okay. Now which is given? The first term of a cone be just like this. This is also be the cone. Okay. The first term of a cone is like this. No need to draw this part. I just draw it for understanding. Now the height be this one O and A. OAB 45 centimeter is given. This is height and are the radii. O, this is B and this is C. OB is R1. This is 28 centimeter and AC is R2. This is 7 centimeter. You have to find the volume and the curved surface area. First you remember that what is the volume of first term? I already discussed in the previous class. The volume of first term be 1/3 pi 8 into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 and R2 unit cube. This is the formula of first term of volume. Now you put the values of these and you get the result also. This is 1/3 and 22/7. Already here the given data be pi is 22/7. Then and h become h here 45 and R1 is 28 square and R2 is 7 square and 28 into 7 and the unit be centimeter. That's why centimeter cube also. Okay, now you just calculate. 3 15s are 45 and 22/7 into 15 and 28 are 784 plus 7 sevens are 49 plus 28 into 7s are 196 and centimeter cube also. Now this one is calculate 22 into 15s are 15 2s are 30 0 and 3 15 2s are 30 15 2s are 30 plus 3 33/7. Now do the addition here also. This is and here is 6 4 and 9 and 1 carry. This is 10 plus 4 14 14 plus 8 22 22 2 and 1 2 carries and then here 7 plus 1 8 plus 2 10. Then you just do the multiplication. You do the multiplication and you get the result. You do the multiplication in the rough. I also do in the rough also. Then you get the result 18510 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the first term of a cone. Now I discuss about the curved surface area. Okay, before I start the car surface area, you pause the video and write all these things. Okay. Okay, now I just calculate the curved surface area and also find the total surface area also, the CSA. What is CSA? The formula of CSA of first term become pi L and R1 plus R2 centimeter square here, because here is centimeter, and the total surface area I also write the formula pi L R1 plus R2 and plus pi R1 square plus I pi R2 square. You put the value here just to find the L now. And now find the L. L is, what is L? L is 8 square plus R1 minus R2 square. You just put here. This is the calculation only. Calculation based chapter is mensuration. You have to do the calculate, because calculator is not allowed in the examination. You have to do in rough also. I have to do the rough work, then I do the sum here. Now the HB 45 centimeter, 45 square, and R1 28 and R2 7. Then this one square. Then 45 is all you know. 5 5s are 25 and 5 4s are 20 also. You calculate just like this also. And then 28 minus 7. 28 minus 7 is 21. And you just do the calculation. And 2025 plus 21 is 441. You do the calculation. Now you just do the addition also here, because there is no space, that's why I am writing here. Okay. Then 6 4 2, and you do the under root here. You do in your rough work. I also do, and just I put the values of here. This is 49.658 also. Okay. Okay, now you got the L, and you pause the video and just you write down, because I rub this one also. I just find this one and this one. Okay, pause the video and write it. Now I find CSA. Now what is CSA? CSA, you just put here pi is 22/7 and A is, you take only 2 decimal place. Okay. Now 49.65 and the R1 is 28 and R2 is 7 centimeter square also. Then 22/7 into 49.65, and the addition become 28 plus 7, 35 also, na? Yes, 35 also, and this one is cut here, this one is cut here, and you just do the multiplication and write here also. You do in your rough. I also do in the rough. That's why calculate again, and then I write the answer here. 5461.5 centimeter square. This is the CA. Before you doing anything, just you pause the video and do the calculation. And next topic is TSA, total surface area of the first round. Now I just find the TSA. You just put here 22/7 and you take after 2 decimal place. Okay, 49.65, and here R1 plus R2 28 plus 7, and you put here 22/7 into 28 square plus 22/7 into 7 square, and then you just calculate in the rough. I also do in the rough. Then I write. Then this is 35, and then you just put it here. You calculate just like this also, because 7 4s are 28, and then calculate here also, and 22/7 into 7 into 7, 1 7 is cut also. Then you just calculate and I also do calculation, then I write, then you write here, and this one you cut also, and just you do like this, 22 into 5, 5, 5 twos are 10 also, and 1 carry 5 twos are 10 and 11, and you do like this one also, and now this one is 2, 4, 6, 4, and this one calculation is 154. Then you do this one. This one calculating we are going to do. Okay, I do here now. 55 and 5 carry 66. 66 plus 5. 66 plus 5 71. 1 and 7 carry. And 1 and 7 carry and 99. 99 plus 7. Now this one is 6 and then 4 and then 5, and you put decimal before two decimal places, and you just do the addition here also. This is 8 and 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5 and 2 also, and just you do the addition and you get the result also. I just do it in the rough also. That's why this is also 5. 0 is nothing but. Okay, now you just do the calculation and the addition also. This one is 8079.5 centimeter square also. That's all. I already discussed the application of first term. Listen students very carefully. You just go through my video and you just learn the formulas and do the maths, and I do what the sum I already done in the class in the board. You just follow this one and you collect the all first term sums from any book in class 10 standard. You practice in your home first term. This is very important for class 10 board students. Okay, listen very carefully. And if you have doubts, you please send in the comment box or any other options, and I will must give the answer. Okay, now I discuss the another topic. The topic be conversion of solid from one stage to another. This is also be another important topic in the mensuration of class 10 standard. The topic is conversion of solids from one stage to another. Now related sum I already write here. A cone of height, you just convert cone to a sphere. You have a cone shaped toy. You want to convert this shape to the sphere shape by melting whatever in the process. You convert cone to sphere. This is our now new topic, which is this. A cone of height is 24 centimeter and radius of base be 6 centimeter, is made up of molding clay, is made up of by a clay. Okay, a child reshape it in the form of a sphere. A child reshape it in the form of a sphere. Find the radius of sphere. What is the process of doing the math? Then the radius of the cone be, this is also be, OA also be 6 centimeter, and the height of the cone, this one OB is 24 centimeter. Now you just find this is R and this is H also. What is the process? You just find the volume of the cone and you find the volume of the sphere also. You know the formula of volume of cone. I already discussed in the mensuration 1, lecture 1. This you listen and just to remember it and write the volume of cone. Volume of cone be 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, now the volume of sphere, you just remember, sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Here, okay, this one is r and this one is another r. R is here different. You just find the radius of the sphere. Now the question B, you just find R1 here. Okay, now you put a equation. In the left hand side you write 1/3 pi r square h, and right hand side you write 4/3 pi r1 cube. Why? Why I giving the equating sign here? You have a clay. Listen very carefully. You have a clay. A child is made in the shape of cone, and then infrequently the child break it and make another shape solid. Okay, the solid shape, the sphere. The volume, the quantity of the clay is not change. This is the volume. That's why. Okay, you understand very carefully. When you do the conversion of the solid of the shape to another shape, this is, listen very carefully and remember it. Volume is unaltered. Okay, the clay doesn't change. Okay, that's why the shape is only change. Cone to sphere. That's why I give here a equality sign. Then just normal, you just put the values of this and you get the result also. This is very important topic in class 10 standard. Listen very carefully. You practice more and more maths. You get from anywhere in 10 standard. And if you have doubts, please write in the comment box. I must help you. This is my promise. Okay, you must do. This is in this up to this. This is the mensuration of class 10 standard, and then next class I will start trigonometry from class 10 standard. Mensuration for today is my last lecture. Okay, please you now you practice. If you have doubts, please you tell me. You go with me. You don't go here and there. You do first. You do real number, then you do few sums, then you do trigo, then you do mensuration. Not that. Please you go with me. I believe you will get success. This is my belief. You just believe me. You go with me. Okay. Now I just put the values here and you get the result. Now pi is cancelled. 3 is cancelled also. Now you just r. R is, which is R is 6, this is 6 square, and 8 is 24, and 4 is here, and R1, just you find the R1 cube also. Okay, now you just 6 into 6 into 24 by 4 is R1 cube also. Now, this one is 4 6 are 24, that implies R1 cube is 6 cube, that implies R1 is 6 centimeter. All these things in centimeter, that's why R1 is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Then R1 is 6 centimeter. The radius of the answer become like this. Radius of sphere be 6 centimeter. Okay, you practice more and more sum from the mensuration. I already finished. I already discussed the all topic in class 10 standard mensuration. You just practice, and if you have doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you like my video, please press the like button and share it, and if you have any doubts, please write in the comment section and I will give the answer. My belief, if you go with me, my belief is you will get a success, very success, I believe. Please, you don't forget to press the bell icon to get the further notification and subscribe my channel. That's all for today.